Virtue of the week: unity. Unity is the state of being undivided or joined as a whole, and it is a fundamental virtue that fuels cooperation, resilience, and success in any group. It's more than just an agreement. It's a shared commitment to a common purpose where differences are respected. In the family, unity is the bedrock of a stable and nurturing home. When family members operate as a single unit, they create an environment of unconditional love and support. This means working together to share responsibilities, celebrating each other's successes, and offering comfort during times of difficulty. A family faces challenges as a team, ensuring that no one stands alone. It teaches empathy and the profound value of belonging, forming the earliest and most vital lesson in social harmony. The virtue of unity is equally vital within a school community, both teachers and students. Unity among teachers is essential for delivering a high-quality education. When educators collaborate, sharing best practices, aligning curriculum, and supporting school policies, they create a consistent and effective learning environment. This cohesive front demonstrates professional solidarity and provides a clear, strong structure for the students. Student unity fosters a positive and inclusive school climate. When students are united, they can work more effectively in group projects, support each other academically, and create an atmosphere where bullying and exclusion are rejected. Unified students participate in healthy peer relationships, advocate for positive change, and collectively uphold the values of the institution, transforming the school from a collection of individuals into a powerful, collaborative body dedicated to learning and growth. In every context, from the smallest family to the largest school, unity transforms individual efforts into collective strength, proving that the whole is always greater than the sum of its parts.